Are you ready for the future in premium funding? Build long-term client relationships, maximise customer service, and improve your brokerage return on investment. Meet FlexiFund It, a fully integrated and intuitive software solution designed to make all of this possible. Your journey starts with our complete premium funding system that provides you with client loan management, templates, documents, and reports. It doesn't matter if you're a single user or have multiple branches. Our system fits your business now and into the future. Our modern API capabilities open the door to a new world that allows you to cross boundaries with ease. Our system is integrated with leading broker software platforms, including Insight, Winbeat, eGlobal, Evolution, and CBS. Your connections are endless. Your clients are provided with the ability to accept their loan by simply clicking on an integrated link which directs them to a secure online portal, allowing them to accept the terms and conditions and input their preferred payment details while the system syncs automatically. Sign up with our recommended payment gateway provider to give your business the edge it requires to process payments simply in a secure environment. This reduces administration by providing automatic receipting with trigger notifications for both successful and failed payments. We've made it easier for you to run your business smarter and faster with our automated debtor management control. Stay on top of your debtors with our integrated redraw facility on failed payments, sending an automated notification to your clients. Your clients have access to their own online portal, which will allow them to change their payment details, request to change a future payment, make an overdue payment, change their personal information, or download documents. It's all at their fingertips, saving you time and resources. We make it possible to build your premium funding business. FlexiFund It, the future of premium funding.